Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to view recently watched reels on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to view your recently watched reels on Facebook, so to do that what you have to do is first open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the video icon, or you will find this icon. Just simply tap on it, which is on the top of your screen. After tapping on that, now you just have to tap on the profile icon or the person icon, which you can find in the top right. Just tap on that and then tap on history. After tapping on history, now you can find the following history that you have watched. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and just look over that history that you have watched on Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to view recently watched reels on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.